I choose it, of course, because of the great location, and IUM offers incredible opportunities to participate in this environment of Monaco. This program covers a lot of different subjects, not focusing solely on one, and I feel like this gives a holistic experience of a business education. Oh, I feel like Monaco is such a special place in that sense because we have such a small university and such a small community. So if you are a student here, you're not just a number of several thousand students. You are truly someone special and you will feel valued. I'm an artist, so I'm the vice president of the Art Society. I'm also a member of the Finance Society, of the Entrepreneurial Club, of the Tennis Club. So IUM offers a very broad selection for people with different interests. So I did in Paris. It was a lovely experience. It offered me a lot of possibilities to participate in the cultural environment. And as I mentioned before, I'm an artist, so I really enjoyed a lot to go to museums, parks, restaurants. It really depends on your interests and whether you feel comfortable of being in such an inclusive environment. But if you do so, join the community.